Want to switch your Samsung phone's language to one you're comfortable with? No worries. It's simpler than you might expect. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to change your phone's default language step by step. Let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Find out the general management, tap on it. Here you can see the language option at the top. Then tap on it. If it asks to allow permission, then tap OK. Otherwise, no need to do anything. Now tap on Add Language. Next, choose your own language. If you are French, Spanish, or Greek, then scroll down and find out your own language like Portuguese. After that, tap on it. If you can't find your own language here, then tap on the three dots from the top right corner. Then tap on All Languages. Now try to find out your language. Otherwise, no need to tap on All Languages. After selecting Portuguese, now choose your country like Brazil or Portugal. If you want to set this language to default, then tap on Set Default. Or if you want to just keep this language on your phone, then tap on Keep Current. I'm going to tap on Set Default, and that's it. So that's how you change the language on your Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.